Alright, so, we got a two-way crossing here. Okay, so this is a two-way intersection. We have a one-way turning into a two-way, so we have kind of this weird right turn overlap. The signal's a bit twisted. So now the other street has a green light. So if I cross this way, the other way, this arrow should change. On the next phase. So what we'll do is we'll just watch it change. On the next phase here. The other direction still has a green light. So they actually, so the street's actually closed. This light might not even change. Oh, okay, so we actually have the arrow changing and the main street changing now. And we have an all-way crossing. So we have, if you press the buttons in both directions, it will do an all-way crossing. And if you only press one of the buttons, it will only go in that direction. So this is counting down, and now that's counting down. And this one always stays on walk. I don't know why there's a crosswalk here. Maybe there used to be a road here. I don't think this one ever changes. So then that goes back, and if cars are coming that way, it will change. So I think that's the only time it changes. Yeah, so that stays on walk forever.